These UKing 18 by 12 watt RGBW Par Lights deliver strong output with smooth color mixing that easily washes small to medium stages, dance floors, or church platforms. Multiple control options including standard DMX, automatic programs, sound response, and master-slave linking make them flexible for both beginners and more advanced lighting users. The fixtures offer a useful range of built-in effects such as color fades, jumps, strobes, and music-reactive chases that work well for weddings, parties, and club-style events. A sturdy cast aluminum housing with an integrated cooling system keeps the lights running reliably for long sessions without getting excessively hot. The back panel digital display makes mode selection and addressing straightforward, while the efficient LED design keeps power draw low and promises a very long service life. Dual mounting brackets let you clamp the units to truss or stand them on the floor as uplights, with enough adjustment to aim the beams precisely where you need them.